Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Toggl Track for Sprint Time Insights. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To register with Toggl Track for Sprint Time Insights, begin by opening your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for Toggl Track in the address bar. Press the Enter key to navigate to the site. Once the Toggl Track homepage loads, look for the Sign Up button, usually located at the top right corner. Click on the Sign Up button to proceed to the registration page. You will be presented with registration options, including email and password fields. If you prefer, you can choose to sign up using your Google or Apple account. To register via email, enter a valid email address in the provided field. Create a strong password that meets the security requirements. After filling out the required fields, click on the Sign Up button to submit your information. You may be directed to a confirmation page, depending on your registration method. If you signed up with email, check your inbox for a verification email from Toggl Track. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. Once verified, return to the Toggl Track website. Log in using your registered email and password. Upon logging in, you will be guided through a brief setup process. Follow the prompts to customize your workspace. Next, explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the features. To gain insights into your sprint time, begin creating projects and tasks. With tasks in place, start tracking your time by clicking the Start button. Make sure to stop the timer when you finish a task. Review the time entries under the Reports section to analyze your sprint time. Explore additional features like tags and labels for better organization. Customize your reports further to visualize your productivity effectively. That's it. You are now registered and ready to use Toggl Track for Sprint Time Insights. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.